weed. Can't even talk right. Barley Garden. Y'all doing it right up in here. Alright, y'all. What it do? Welcome back to another episode of Life Being Straightforward. And today, we're going to be reviewing Barley Garden Craft and Kitchen Bar. Or is it Kitchen and Craft Bar? It's one of those. It's a real nice spot. It's off in the cut, ducked off. It's a vegan spot. They got vegan options. They also have non-vegan options. So we're going to go in here, we're going to order, and we're going to see what they have to offer. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on all post notifications. So I ain't going to hold y'all too long. We're going to go in here and order, and then we're going to review and see what the food here like. So I'm going to be back in a minute. DIGG. Alright, y'all, so here we is. We're gonna order something now. Gotta find out how to get up in here. Hey, how you doing? Can I order to go order? Let me see menu. TJ. This is my first time over here. This place is nice. Y'all got wine and everything? I seen online y'all had wings.
We have 5 wings and we have 10 wings.
Y'all have what now?
5 wings and then we have 10 wings.
Okay, where are the wings?
We don't have any sauce.
Oh, okay.
We serve brunch on Sundays.
Okay. Can I try half and half?
Of course.
Alright, let me try. I'm gonna try the Korean fire. Are they hot? They very hot? Oh, okay. I don't know if I want that. What about the house barbecue? They're pretty good. All right, let me try 5 of those. And then I'm thinking about lemon pepper. You know what? Let's go with the Korean fire. Let's try it out. Let me do 5 of each. And then also, y'all have vegan stuff on here as well, right?
Yeah, we have
Okay.
A lot of more of our vegan stuff is on our regular menu.
Oh, okay.
That would be during the week.
Oh, so it's a different menu now. Gotcha. Can I order that now? Oh, okay. But yeah, I will. Let me see, because I want to order something else besides those wings. Gotcha. I'm definitely might come back in here. Blue cheese. I'm gonna need some on that spice. Maybe I should try one of these sandwiches. Which one of these you recommend?
Butcher's bun is our most popular sandwich. Either that or the goat.
The butcher's bun?
It's like shaved ribeye, arugula, fried onions. It has cheese on it.
Okay. This is a fish. Y'all got a fish sandwich?
Fish sandwich and fish and chips. Our fish is hot. The fish sandwich is my favorite sandwich that we have. I'm really into fish.
Let's do that fish. And it come with fries?
No, it does not. You want fries? We have regular fries, we have sweet potato fries, we have salads.
Which one you like between the sweet potato and the regular? Alright, let me do that. And that's it. We got these. Outside area. We have an upstairs area. Excuse me. I see. Don't y'all have an upstairs area? How do I get up there? Oh, okay. Thank you. Walking up here. Oh, nice. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Okay. The TV up here. This is nice over here. Ain't got no apartments over there. Okay. This is nice up here. I like this. Okay. Alright, y'all, we slick vlogging while we doing this. We're gonna take a little scroll down here. While we way up there, that was pretty nice. That's where we was at up there. That's pretty nice. I like that little sign right there. Let's take a little scroll right here while we wait on the food, y'all. This is nice. My camera about to go dead, so hopefully it don't go dead, but we got the charger, the adapter charging in the car, so this is nice. It's got a little bookstore. Okay. Archer paper goods. This is beautiful. This kind of give me like Cali vibes, or like Buckhead, like downtown. Uh-oh, get out the way. This is real nice. This is beautiful, y'all. I can't wait to get this food and show y'all. We probably gonna have to go back and get the adapter. Hey, how you doing? All right. What is this?
This is an AI grocery store, and we also have to go food. We're closed for the rest of the day, but
Okay.
food side, we do have AI grocery. You can do 24/7 with
Uh-huh.
our application.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to come check y'all out.
Yeah, come check us out.
All right, thank you. Dang. They got a whole nother world down here, y'all. I ain't never been down here before. I see. I'm gonna have to come back and try these other spots down here too. Like they got a pizza spot over there. I'm gonna walk around and go over there. Look at this nice little patio area, man. This player. We're gonna talk over this copyright event, you know what I'm saying? But this is beautiful. I don't even know if they open. They might be. But this is beautiful, y'all. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to come back and review this spot. Good God. What's the name of this place? Calendaria? I don't know if that's the name of the spot. We're gonna have to come check this out. This shit nice down here. Nice little outside. We're gonna have to come back and review some of these sides. They got pizza wings and shit over there. I ain't gonna go too far because I know I got 20%, y'all. So we're gonna try to hurry this up. We definitely got to come over here with this wing spot. Pizza and wings. Are they open? What's today? Sunday? They open till 8. And we're gonna have to come try this pizza spot. Yeah. Dang. We're gonna have to come check this spot out too. Well, we gonna hit the strip and we just gonna review everything. Look at that, the fresh stuff in, fresh tortillas. Man. That's beautiful. This is the type of stuff I like. I like being in this kind of atmosphere. It seems so plush. So, my type of vibe. Grown folk, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with the hood, but can't always be in the hood. And look at this. When the hell y'all seen grass in motherfucking squares? That's what I'm saying, bro. Y'all gotta come up out their house. Come up out their hood. Explore some things. Man, this is beautiful. What this is? That's a bakery place right there. People working on their laptops and stuff in there. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to bring y'all along. I'm gonna come over here and get some B-roll shots. Yeah, we're gonna be done. I don't know what that is. Fairway Social. I don't know what that is. Look at this one. Yeah. This is fire. They got the water shit up in here. This is beautiful. They got the big screen over there. This is nice, y'all. Damn. Got the big screen down there. Alright, y'all. Let's go see what our food here like. Let me go ahead and check on the food, and I'm gonna come back to y'all in a minute. You dig? Alright, y'all, so I'm still waiting on my food, which is a good thing. I like waiting on my food. Make sure it's fresh. I did get it to go. So, we gonna see. That's me right there. Let's get it. All right. Thank you much. All right, you too. I don't know if it's a safe place to try this in. Alright, y'all. It's a little hot out here. I would have did it on the outside, but they got on the inside, but they got music playing. So we're gonna do it out here. And we're gonna go through the heat with y'all. I was gonna do it in the car, but it's gonna be hot in there too. And I'm gonna be wasting up my AC. So we're gonna go ahead and get some of this out of here. So we got what's this? Okay, this right here. Show y'all. This right here is the fish sandwich with the sweet potato fries. Motherfucker look good, y'all. I ain't gonna cap y'all down. Motherfucker got a little avocado on there. That thing got look like some coleslaw. I ain't gonna lie. I'm excited about that one. I ain't gonna cap y'all down. And then we got some wings. Y'all know we got to get wings now. Yeah. Ooh. Show y'all these wings. Ooh, them the barbecue. And these the Korean fire. Plus we gotta have a little blue cheese, a little celery and carrot. This one, they look promising, I'm telling you. They look promising, so we're gonna start with the fish sandwich, because it's the less messiest. We're gonna go on and give it. Let's start with this. They fried these to perfection. Scoop my shit up. Okay. Y'all excuse me if I'm sweating too, but it is hot out here, and we in Georgia. Right back of that neck. Sweet potato fry good. I'm gonna get them a 9 out of 10. They're good. I got ketchup, but I ain't gonna need that. Let's go and pick this fish sandwich. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that. Ooh. I can't wait. Let's get it. Making a mess. Ooh, girl. I'll mess with that. Okay. Hold on, let me hit that fish sandwich one more time. I'm gonna hit that fish one more time. Ooh, that's a good little bite right there too. Look at that The fish is not fishy. It's like it's baked or grilled. I'm not sure, but it's delicious. I love this. 9 out of 10. I'm on him. I don't know what this bamboo stick is. We're gonna stick it back in right now. I'm on him right now. That whole plate was everything. We're gonna rock that out later. Probably should got something to drink too. She said these Korean fires be having her nose running, so we gonna see. This already got nose running out here. You know what I'm saying? So let's see. It's like some kind of spicy. What's the? It's supposed to be blue cheese though. That's what it's supposed to be. We're gonna try the barbecue first. I ain't even trying. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think they eat the barbecue. Ooh, hot too. Fresh about the grease. I don't know if y'all like flats or drums, but that's what you get. Oh man, I have like drums a lot lately more, but I really don't get that. Wing is wing to me. Okay. Well, you gotta look around, make sure nobody watching. You know, barbecue hemp. And not as sweet as you would expect them, but they good. We gonna give them a 9 out of 10 as well. Okay. Yeah, them hitting. Hold on, I gotta hit that one more time. I ain't even gonna play around with that. Come on back here. Got to dip it in blue cheese. Okay. If you ain't dipping your barbecue in the blue cheese to take it to the next level, I don't know what's going on with you. Look like they building this area up. It's gonna be a nice area when they get through with it though. Shit real nice. But we ain't here. I'm gonna make sure I come back very soon to review the other spot. We ain't here. We ain't here. You know they're here when you getting all the meat off the bone. Pause. Definitely pause. Yeah. Alright y'all, let's try this fire Korean. Ain't gonna lie, I like hot stuff. But the way she explained it, said it had her nose running, I'm a little scared because it's already hot and I'm already sweating. So we gonna see. They got a little scallion or something on there. Yeah. I'm gonna definitely have to blue cheese this. We gonna go on blue cheese it. We ain't even gonna play. We gonna blue cheese it. Alright, here you go. Let me in. It got a little spice on. They ain't super spicy. But maybe it's a thing where like if you eat enough of them, like if you eat a whole 10 piece of them, cause I just got 5 and 5, then them thing might be hint. Hold on y'all, let me call wife and let her know. We're gonna speakerphone so y'all can hear. Ooh, is that a little spicy now? We're gonna wipe this sweat, because we sweating. I'm gonna get out of here in a minute. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Baby, yes. Fire. Huh? Fire. Fire. Okay. You hear me? Okay. I still got wings. I got a fish sandwich and some sweet potato fries. Delicious. And I got a 10-piece wing. I got 5 barbecue and 5 Korean hot. Everything beautiful. Delicious. I love you. All right, I love you too. Bye-bye. All right, bye. Yeah, that was baby. I had to let her know it was fire. This shit hitting. Let's hit this one more time. Let's hit it without the blue cheese that time. Let's see what it hit like. Mm. They know what they're doing in here. Barley Garden. Can't even talk right. Barley Garden. Y'all doing it right up in here. Y'all doing it right. Everything. Everything is beautiful. I love everything. Shit, I love it so much, I'm gonna eat a piece of celery. Celery good. This is beautiful. The ambiance is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna get this place a 9. This is a must try and must go. If you tried it before, try it again. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on all notifications. Make sure y'all go to the Instagram and follow the Instagram. Go over to the Facebook and follow the Facebook. Or if you already over here at the Facebook, go over to the YouTube and follow. You feel what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And keep bringing these food reviews to y'all. But I'm gonna finish eating these wings and I'm gonna get up out of this heat because it's sun on sunny. You know what I'm saying? That sun got a gun now. I ain't gonna lie to you now. This has been another straightforward food review, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Get it? Don't y'all check now. Y'all see the fish. Y'all see the yeah. I just want y'all to see my fish. I'm sorry, y'all.